Looking for smart ways to organize your home? These Amazon finds can help you save space, reduce clutter, and make everyday life easier. Let's get started. All products links are in the description below. Number 1. The Moforoco Over-the-Door Pantry Organizer. A smart storage solution designed to maximize unused door space. It can be used to organize pantry items, snacks, spices, and household essentials while keeping everything within easy reach. Key benefits include creating extra storage space and reducing clutter without taking up valuable floor space. Number 2. The Yicochi Silverware Tray. A practical kitchen organization solution designed to keep utensils neatly sorted and easy to find. It can be used to organize forks, spoons, knives, and other kitchen tools in a drawer. Key benefits include reducing drawer clutter and making meal prep more efficient. Number 3. The Pomeat Refrigerator Organizer. A smart kitchen storage solution designed to keep your refrigerator neat and organized. It can be used to store fruits, vegetables, drinks, and snacks while maximizing available fridge space. Key benefits include easier access to food items and a cleaner, more organized refrigerator. All products links are in the description below. Number 4. The Nuovoware Wine Glass Rack. A space-saving kitchen solution designed to store wine glasses safely and neatly. It mounts under cabinets to keep glasses organized and within easy reach. Key benefits include freeing up cabinet space and helping protect glassware from damage. Number 5. The Jsyrjing Pull-Out 2-Tier Organizer. A smart storage solution designed to make hard-to-reach spaces more accessible. It can be used under sinks, in cabinets, or on countertops to organize cleaning supplies, spices, toiletries, and other household essentials. Key benefits include maximizing storage space and providing easy access to stored items. Number 6. The Gintan Camping Cutting Board. A versatile outdoor solution designed for food prep while camping, traveling, or enjoying outdoor activities. It can be used for cutting fruits, vegetables, and other ingredients while providing a convenient prep surface on the go. Key benefits include portability and added convenience for outdoor cooking and meal preparation. Number 7. The TOOLF Small Dish Drying Rack. A compact kitchen solution designed to keep dishes organized while they dry. It can be used to hold plates, bowls, cups, and utensils without taking up too much counter space. Key benefits include faster air drying and a cleaner, more organized kitchen countertop. All products links are in the description below. Number 8. The Tamomic Hanging Spice Rack Wall Mount. A space-saving kitchen organization solution designed to keep spices neatly stored and easy to access. It can be mounted on a wall, pantry door, or cabinet to organize spice jars and seasonings. Key benefits include freeing up counter and cabinet space while making cooking ingredients easier to find. Number 9. The MECHYIN Nightstand Set of 2. A stylish bedroom solution designed to add convenient storage and surface space beside your bed. It can be used to hold lamps, books, phones, and other everyday essentials while keeping them within easy reach. Key benefits include extra storage and a more organized bedroom setup. Number 10. The SUPERJARE Narrow Table with Outlet. A space-saving furniture solution designed for tight spaces around the home. It can be used behind a sofa, along a hallway, or beside a bed while providing a convenient spot to charge devices. Key benefits include built-in power access and extra storage without taking up much space. Number 11. The DAOUTIME 5-Tier Coffee Bar Station. A stylish storage solution designed to keep your coffee essentials organized in one place. It can be used to store coffee makers, mugs, pods, syrups, and accessories while creating a dedicated coffee station at home. Key benefits include maximizing storage space and keeping everything organized and within easy reach. Number 12. The MSHOMELY Underwear Organizer. A practical closet organization solution designed to keep underwear, socks, bras, and other small clothing items neatly sorted. It can be used in drawers, closets, or dressers to organize everyday essentials and make them easier to find. Key benefits include reducing drawer clutter and helping you stay organized while saving time during your daily routine. Number 13. The Dash Mini Donut Maker Machine. A fun kitchen appliance designed to make fresh mini donuts at home in minutes. It can be used to prepare homemade donuts for breakfast, snacks, parties, or family gatherings. Key benefits include quick cooking, easy operation, and the ability to make delicious treats without deep frying. Number 14. The Voipvvii Folding Hand Truck 500 pounds. A heavy-duty moving solution designed to transport bulky or heavy items with less effort. It can be used for moving boxes, luggage, groceries, and equipment at home, work, or while traveling. Key benefits include reducing lifting strain and folding compactly for easy storage and portability. All products links are in the description below. Number 15. The BROOKSTONE Collapsible Laundry Basket. A convenient laundry solution designed to make carrying and storing clothes easier. It can be used for laundry, linens, toys, and other household items while folding flat when not in use. Key benefits include saving storage space and making laundry day more convenient. Number 16. The GREENSTELL Laundry Hamper. A practical laundry solution designed to keep clothes organized and out of sight. It can be used to store dirty clothes, towels, and linens in bedrooms, bathrooms, or laundry rooms. Key benefits include ample storage capacity and a cleaner, more organized living space. Number 17. The SPACELEAD Slim Storage Cart 3-Tier. A space-saving storage solution designed to fit into narrow gaps and unused spaces. It can be used to organize bathroom supplies, kitchen essentials, laundry products, and other household items. Key benefits include maximizing storage space and keeping everyday essentials organized and within easy reach. Number 18. The Cook with Color Nesting Bowls. A versatile kitchen solution designed for mixing, prepping, and serving food. It can be used for baking, cooking, salad preparation, and food storage while nesting together for compact storage. Key benefits include saving cabinet space and providing multiple bowl sizes for a variety of kitchen tasks. Number 19. The Vailando Shoe Organizer. A practical storage solution designed to keep footwear neatly organized and easy to access. It can be used in closets, entryways, or bedrooms to store multiple pairs of shoes while reducing clutter. Key benefits include maximizing storage space and helping maintain a cleaner, more organized home. Number 20. The KitHero Bed Sheet Organizer. A smart linen storage solution designed to keep sheet sets neatly organized and easy to find. It can be used to store bed sheets, pillowcases, and bedding sets together in one place. Key benefits include reducing closet clutter and making bedding easier to organize and access. Number 21. The Kitstorack Under Sink Organizer. A smart storage solution designed to maximize unused space under sinks. It can be used to organize cleaning supplies, toiletries, and household essentials while keeping them easy to access. Key benefits include reducing clutter and creating a more organized, efficient storage area. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smart Amazon finds.